I want whatever she had for breakfast.
We have to hurry because
please stay with him while downstairs. No eating, drinking, or smoking. Bottled water is permitted.
We cannot any contact with the water. So the first thing they do is they build a Hoover Dam. A Hoover Dam is a wall 100 feet high, basically rock and dirt. The Colorado is going to hit the Hoover Dam and then enter the Fort Version tunnels. Then the water is going to come down below.
And we made it. We're already there. Yes. I don't know where I'm going, but I got the keys, but I don't know where I'm going.
They weigh 70,000 pounds and they last around 30 years. So the water comes from that pipe we're standing down below. It's going to hit the bottom of the shaft at 40 miles an hour. We make the shaft spin, then we make the magnet spin, produce electricity. In less than 2 years to be finished. The Hoover Dam bypass, the falling highway, over 7 years and $240 million. And the crane fell down on the Arizona side, September 2006 with 55-mile winds. I cannot figure this out. We got OSHA, modern technology. We can send a man to the moon, robot to Mars. Less than 2 years for the dam, over 7 for the freeway. I can't believe this. They drilled to that volcanic rock from opposite sides and they came around the nose. They were not a mile off, 10 feet off, right in the nose. No GPS, no laser technology, no computer, no iPhone.
From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the
mountains and desert toward the Gulf of California. In the background lie the Great Mojave Desert and Death Valley. And in the distance are the metropolitan centers of Los Angeles and Southern California coastal areas. And so today, Hoover Dam stands like a mighty sentinel in black